Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to GVS Broadcasting Room. This is Jet.
Hey guys, I'm Kerry.
So we are in GVS headquarters in Guangzhou. Yesterday, we are introducing you the IP system. Today, we would like to continue the introduction about our intercom system. So it's time to introduce you our two-wire system. So let's get started. So first part, we would like to introduce you the system products. And firstly, so it's about the system capacity. As you know, the two-wire systems, it has the very flexible connection. So by using the two-wire cable, it will be very easy to connect the device into a small system. So normally, we suggest you to use 0.75 or 0.5 millimeters for the cable diameter. And about the apartment, this is about the capacity for the system. You see, it can be used in the multi-apartment and the system with star connection or the hand in and out. So this is the capacity. So about the system capacity, so you can see the details of each device. From the list, you can see each item. So Kerry, so which one is the main items you would like to know?
Well, why don't we just start with the indoors part, right?
Indoors part, yeah. Because the two-wire system is a small system comparing the IP system. So 128 pieces is the limitation for the system. And also for the outdoor station, you can install 3 pieces of the outdoor station due to the deep switch inside this outdoor station. And also the main power supply and the extending power supply, the distributor consists of the whole complete system. So later, we will introduce you the details of the wiring. So this is the topology for the single house. You can see the topology is very simple. So the outdoor station are very compact power supply and the indoor monitor. You connect them by the two-wire cable. Then you can create a very basic two-wire system in your house.
Well, I think some of the customers will ask, so this is actually another module of the power supply.
Yeah. So this one is another one comparing the system power supply. So this one is for the villa kit. So another one is for the system. And all of them are same because they are following the same protocol. So you don't need to worry about the different shape of the housing. The performance and also the protocol are same. And from the outdoor panel to the last monitor, the total distance will be 160 meters. So this is the distance for the wiring. So Carrie, can you also introduce something about the system apart for the apartment?
All right, guys. Now we are looking at the full topology of the multi apartments application. So you see here on the left side, this is where the outdoors parts is being placed. So to the entrance, you will place the outdoor panels. So maybe you have one or two pieces. So you connect them to the outdoor station distributor right here, and then it goes to the central part of the system, which is the system power supply. So this one is actually a main power supply. And then we look at the indoors side. So this is inside the building, inside every apartment. You see, so for example, each floor we will have 4 households. So yes, you can put one monitor into their house. So let's count it, 4 pieces each floor. So and it works like this, and it goes all the way up. And here we goes to the floor number 32, and then you can see our extended power supply here is actually climbing as well. So you will need in total 8 pieces of the extended power supply. And if we look back at the indoors part, you see each floor we will have this kind of distributor. They are actually connecting all the indoor monitors in the same floor. So one floor we will use 1 pieces. So here you can see
32 totally. 32 pieces of the distributor totally.
Yes.
So the 32 floors, each floor allows 4 monitors. So this is the so-called star connection for the system. And about the products, so we have the audio handsets. So this is the basic units for the indoor side. And also we offer the 4.3-inch and the 7-inch monitor. So each of them are with the basic function. You can see from the list, the call answering, the monitoring, and also the intercom functions. So all of them controlled by the soft touch. By touch the keys, you can easily have a interactions with the monitor. Continue to the 7-inch model. So this one is our main product for the system, which we call the 7-inch touch, ISO 1 and ISO 7. It allows to unlock the door, same as the others, to monitor the outdoor station. And also it is with the touch panel, the sensitive glass cover, so allows the user to touch the buttons easily. And also this monitor, it has the picture and video record function. So each visitor, when they come to visit you, when they press the button, it will take the picture automatically, or you can take it by yourself. And inside the monitor, it allows the multi-language. So you can see from our monitors, it has the Turkish, the Germany, the Italian, something like that. So different range of the language for you.
So I think, Jack, maybe we could tell our audience. So what is the plus features for the 7-inch comparing to the 4.3-inch?
Yes. So for this one, so we can have a monitor to connect it to the camera. So by using the interface, we can monitor the camera and also the relay. By using a relay module, we can use the button to unlock the second lock for your house. So this is very useful. And also every house, maybe will use it for the gate or for the garage. So about the outdoor station, Carrick, will you introduce some more details?
Yes, so we are now looking at 3 kinds of our lobby panels. So the first one with the mechanical keypad is the TOS07 module, and it also equipped with a 2.8-inch display. And the middle one is our hot selling module. So it has a 7-inch touch screen, and yes, the model name is the TOS02. So the most features of this product is that it also supports both the name list mode and also the keypad mode. Yes, and the last one is also a 7-inch touchscreen module. So the name is TOS11. So this model actually comparing to the middle one, they are of the same graphic design and the same software design, and the main difference are the appearance.
Yes, the different surface treatment on the aluminum panel, and also the touch panel, the size is different, which created a very complete different style for the outdoor station. And also you can see from the panel, it can save 2,000 cars, user cars. So it is a big capacity for a small building. And also the Villa outdoor station. So this one, it has different appearance for you for selection. So you can see from the page, the TOS1, OS01, TOS05. So they are with the same function, just the different color, and also the style is a little different. And also the third one is the TOS12. This one has a very attractive feature for the user because they don't need to use the car to unlock the door. Just push the button and to enter the password. In this way, to unlock the door. So this is very convenient if you forget to take your IC card outside.
Yeah, there's a way out.
So last one is the Villa outdoor station. So normally we pack them as a key because this is for surface installation. The installation is very easy and also very convenient for a user with a big name tag. So the LED will send a very attractive light to the visitor, which can easily identify the resident's name. So this is very useful. So you just mentioned that maybe some our clients, they have a wondering that the power supply seems they are different. Yes, for the mini outdoor station, the black one is a small one. So this one is for the system apartment. So we have the part number is TPOS01C and TPOS02. What's the difference of them? So let me introduce you one by one. The first one is our main power supply. So it manages the data and also the power supply to the device. So it sends the data and also the signal, the audio and the video signal to the monitor between the monitor and the outdoor station. So it allows 32 monitors maximum. So each system just needs one outdoor power supply. The second one is the extended power supply. So the output is 1 ampere. It supports 16 monitors. What's the difference? Because you note we use one main power supply and the other floors will use this extended power supply. So it gives the power supply to the 16 monitors. Then you repeat the power supply. Then totally 8 pieces monitor power supply maximum for a system. So from the page, you can see the details, the inputs, and also the bus interface for the output. So this is some accessory for the system. TVD, this is the indoor video distributor, which amplifies the video signal and is supposed for indoor monitors. The second one is the outdoor stations distributor. So by using this distributor, we can combine more than 2 outdoor stations into one distributor. So if your building want to install more than 1 outdoor station, you must take this one.
Yes, because this model is not only using as a centralizer to connect the outdoor station, but it provides the necessary amplify the signal amplifications for the whole system. So in this case, the system can still be stable and to guarantee a good video quality.
Yes.
So this is necessary.
The video performance is very important for a user when someone wants to monitor outside. So it is very important. So the next one is TCI, the camera interface. So you can see that it offers 3-way CVBS signal input and also 2-way bus output. So you can see from the diagram that it will also it has the interface to connect with the camera and easily configured by the dip switch. So this one, by using this distributor, we can easily connect the CCTV camera into the analog system. And the following one is TRA. This one is the relay module. Normally, we use this one to have a dry contact output to have a secondary control for the lock. And also, you can use this relay to turn on the light if you want to have some other control for your lights. You can also use this one. For the system configuration, as you note, it is based on the analog signal. So we must have the system configured by the dip switch. From the green one, you can see everyone are turned to the NC, but the last one, we need to turn to the RC mode because it is very important to have a impedance to ensure the video performance. So don't forget to turn on the last one and also the video distributor to the RC mode.
Yes, so in each installation, so you have to make sure that the end device which located at the end of each line and should be turned this impedance.
Impedance, yes.
Yeah, impedance.
Also, this one is for the same application, but we need to set the monitor in master or slave. So from the page, you can see the red one, it means the master. And the others turns to the slave mode, it means the slavery. So by using this one, we can, when someone calling you, one monitor, the master monitor will turn on and the others just running. It has a better way to save the energy and also the power supply. It will save the power supply consumption. So for the system configuration for the outdoor station, if you want to set more than 2 pieces of outdoor station in your system, you need to set the number for the outdoor station. In this way, the monitor can identify which one is calling. So the first one, on, it means the number 1. The second one is on, it means this number. Outdoor station is the number 2.
Yes, each outdoor station, so if you check the back, it has a dip switch to configure its address. So it's combined with 2 digits. So you need to turn on and off of each digits to configure so whether the number it should be.
Yeah. And also, so we would like to introduce the hot selling products to you because we have a big range of the 2-wire systems. Which one is most popular in the market? Let me introduce you. So this one is our outdoor station. So you just see the image before. So this one, it has the VGA camera, the microphone, the speaker, and the touch. So by using the 7-inch touch and the HD display, the high luminance display, it offers a very good experience for a user. And also the user is very basic and easily for a visitor to identify which one is the resident to make the call. And we have the calling mode. So from the page, you can see 2 different call modes, name list and the keypad. So you can when you enter the configuration setting page, you can see different modes. And also, you can manage the name list by yourself from the outdoor station. So by using the setting, you can easily input your name, your room number for the outdoor station. So this is very convenient for a user or the developer if he wants to change the style of the graphic for the building.
Yes. So
the keypad?
Yes. Now we are looking at the keypad mode. So as you can see, this module, what makes it so special is that besides of the name list mode, it also supports to dial the apartment's number directly. So here you can see, here is the standby page of the keypad mode, and you see at the top right corner there is a icon, and it is actually the name list icon. So you see the third image here is the name list interface. So if you have a list of the residents, so you wanted to find your friends very quickly, so you can actually type their name, type the prefix, and then yes, you can search from the whole data bank.
This is very convenient. If sometimes I forget my friend's room number, maybe I can search his name from this list.
Yes, so you can just by typing their name and search, so instead of looking from page to page.
Yeah. And also it allows multiple unlock methods. So by sweeping IC card or call to the monitor, the exit button, or the public password, or the user password. So this is also all possible to unlock the door and get into the building. And this model, you can also change the background and offering a screensaver. So when the model is standby mode, it can change the the screensavers. So you can do it all by yourself to search more page for your outdoor station. So also the second hot selling is our Intercom Kit. Our Intercom Kit, it consists of the outdoor station, the surface type outdoor station, and compact power supply. We call it PSO3, and 7-inch indoor monitor. So this is the 3 main items in this kit. About the outdoor station, you can see the parameters from the page. So it offers call buttons and also a bit name tag, which can the user can easily make a call to the residents. And also it can connect to the interface. In this way, so you can use the exit buttons connected with this outdoor station. And also it has the LED light to turn the names on. So wherever it's at daytime or at night, you can easily recognize the name. The 7-inch indoor monitor. So it has the 7-inch touch panel, and it is the standard 7-inch resolution, 800 multiplied by 480. It combines the 7-inch touch with the touch key, so the user can control the panel by the touch panel or the touch key. Also, it has the TFT card slots, so you can insert the SD card into this model. In this way, to save the pictures or the videos you record from the panel. For the power supply, so I say that this is a compact power supply. So the voltage is lower than the system power supply, but it can power on 4 monitors. So you don't need to worry about the consumption.
Yes. So I understand some of the customers, so after they buy the kit, they also wanted to have some extensions, maybe to have one more outdoor station or a few more indoor monitors. So don't worry about it, because this compact PS03 model is totally compatible to such quantities to make such extensions.
Yes. So this is the wiring for a single family. If you buy a video kit from us, so you can see 3 main units. And if you want to extend it, the monitors, then you just connect them in and out in this way to have 4 monitors in your house. Just remember to configure the code for each unit. So as we just mentioned, 100 meters is maximum for the system, and the in and out, this is for the single family. This is the same performance, same wiring. And also we have the 4.3-inch indoor monitor. It has the 4.3-inch TFT display, and with a very nice designing, so the user can touch the buttons to receive a call, to mute the calling, and unlock the door directly by the key buttons. Also, you can monitoring the outdoor station in your building. Also, so when you long press the home icons, you can call to the guard unit. So this is very compact and also convenient model. The following one is our outdoor station with the keypad. So you can see that it has the keypad. In this way, the user can use the buttons to make the call directly, and also using the buttons to enter the password to unlock the gate. So the following is the extension about the system configuration. Carrie, so it's your time to give some more details about the introduction.
Okay, so thank you, Jack, for giving the introduction of the whole system. So I'll pick it up from here and introduce you more about the extensions and configurations. So the first one, we are also looking back at our hot selling, the TOS02 module. So the things I'd like to show is that how flexible about the name list management. So the first example is that we could manage the name list from the device itself. So you check here from the standby page, we can go into the setting, which is the user name list management, and in here you can add or you can delete or even clear the whole data bank. So this is the one method to manage. And the second one, of course, it's supposed to do some patch operation from your PC. Yes, we have such software. So first, you just need to fill all the physical address and the corresponding the username, and then you import it into the software, and finally you upgrade it into the device. So this is also very flexible and very acceptable for the users. So speaking of how to manage the name list from PC, first we need to understand the wiring. So as you can see, this wiring diagram, it is also very simple. So you only need to take your outdoor station and connect it with our main power supply. So make sure it is powered by the power supply, but not some external adapters. And then you also connect this one is actually our name list 2, we call it the T adapter. And then this module, at one side it connects to the 2-wire bus. It connects into the system, and the other side it uses the USB to connect to your PC. So this is rather a very understandable solution.
Yes, it's very easy.
Yes. And yeah, here we are. You can see at the left side, this is the default page, the default setting. So this is how you get our device and have the first look is just the numbers start from 1 to 16 if you have the 2 columns design. And after the configuration, you can have all your names input. And the second part I want to talk is about the customization. So Jack, I know we got many requirements from our customers.
Yes, right? True. So they want to have a complete different style for the interface. So our default page is for the number, but someone want to have a name or have a different color. So by using this kinds of tool, it offers a very flexible way for a user to configure the outdoor station all by yourself. So from the page, I prefer to the third one. So this is my favorite.
Yes, the third one with the circle dot and also the name tag is a very classical design we see on the actual mechanical mechanical designs.
It's very similar to the mechanical types of the outdoor station.
Yes, so we can also have this kind of solutions, so you can also do it by yourself.
Yeah.
And next, I'm going to introduce our GUI design tool. If you have checked our last episode about how our IP system is actually with the same software, so the advantage are the same. So it is a free customization for everyone, and the programming or configuration is also very easy for new starters to understand. And also you can upgrade your device remotely just by connecting the cables. Yeah, this is the wiring. So you can see it's actually nothing more by just connecting two wire. Connecting the bus and also connecting a networking cable to your PC.
Yes.
So the whole procedures are the same. So I think Jack, maybe you can give some introduction.
So for the original project, we have the standard one, but we want to have a new design. So we will have to create this kinds of the graphics and export the file. And then we use this project file and download to the outdoor station in this way to have a new style of the GUI. So this is the operation for user to have a new customization for the graphic.
Yes. So the whole procedure can be done by yourself,
yes.
And even you wanted to upgrade some device on site, so you don't actually have to disassemble it. So you only need to connect your PC into the system.
Yeah, it's much easier than upgrading the Android mobile phone compared to in the past. We normally upgrade the Android platform by ourselves. So the operation is very similar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to look a little deeper about our
video distributor.
Distributors. So we see here, so one of the usage is that it changed the wirelings, of course. So if some of your installation are not so suitable to run the wire in a loop connection or the hand-in-hand connections, or maybe it costs too many wires.
Yes.
Yeah, so okay, maybe you can try to consider to use this adapter to change the wirelings. So it will change from a bus connection into a star topology.
So these kinds of wiring will be much more suitable for the renovation. For the old building, would like to replace their audio phone, and the wireless is 4 wires. Maybe we can use these kinds of the distributor to make the 2-wire system compatible to the previous installation.
Yes, is totally worth your consideration. And this distributor is also recommended for apartments installation, which means that for many residents, and also for some cross-floor installation, which means that if your wire needs to go from one house to another house, it is also recommended. So this is a very simple image about how the distributor is working in one building. So you see, in this example, we only have 2 households in each floor. So we can actually put 1 pieces of the distributor between each floor. So it connects 4 of the monitors, and then it goes to the rest false.
Yeah.
And following, we are also going to talk about how to use the outdoor distributors. So as we mentioned, so this module is necessary for connecting multiple outdoor stations. So so you can see here, so as long as you have more than one outdoor unit, this module is needed. Yes, and the reason is that it enhances the video's performance for sure. So this is also another simple topologic about how to use it for a single house. So yeah, yes, even if you only have 2 villa outdoor stations, so you will also need to use this device to make sure the whole system's working stably. So now we are looking at the comprehensive application of both distributors. So Jack, maybe you can give us some idea.
Yes, for the distributor applications, all the indoor monitor and the outdoor stations, if we want to have more than 2 pieces, so all of the indoor monitors should connected with this video video distributor connected, and then the video distributor connected with this main outdoor station, and the outdoor station were connected to the TOD, so the outdoor station distributor. In this way, to centralize the inputs, and then all of the systems were connected to the main power supply. In this way, to connect them all together, as we just said, all in one. All the devices should be in one system. They are all compatible, but we need the distributor to enhance the signal. In this way, to have a better performance.
Yes, you're right.
Oh, this one is much more complicated.
Yes, so this is a full topologic. So if we look at this image, so it has this example, it has total 64 household and with 2 entrances. So the wiring goes like this, but we actually can split it, and we can see there are we can see it this way. So the system consists of 4 blocks. Here you can see,
yes,
each block is actually representing all the indoor monitors connect to the same extended power supply, which located here, here, and here. Yeah, so if we look from the beginning, yes, there are 2 entrance panels at the bottom, and it goes to the first one, the system power supply. It goes to the power supply first, and then it goes to the first block. Here, the first block, and then it connects maximum 60 pieces. And also to the next block, another 60 pieces. So it repeats the whole procedure. So totally it achieved 64 indoor monitors.
So shall we connect all the extended power supply to the main power supply directly, or the last extended power supply can connect it with the next power supply?
Well, if we check on this wiring, so you can see very clear is that, so the main power supply, it connects to the first one, the first extended power supply.
Yeah.
And then from here, you see this wire goes up and connects to the second one.
Okay,
yes.
So in and out.
Yes, so actually it's an in and out. So this is the third, this is the fourth one. Yes.
I see. So I think this one is very important for the installer, because it will have a big difference if they want to have a long cables connections from the last floor to the main power supply, which located in the first floor.
Yes. So theoretically, our maximum supports 128 indoor plus 3 pieces of outdoor. So which means that we can add another 4 block besides of this image.
I see.
So this is actually an real example from one of our customers. So they have a building like it. So they have totally 84 apartments in 20 floors. So you can see how all their households are located in each floor.
Each floor are with different number.
Yes. So it will cause some difficulties into our calculations. So also with the 2 entrance.
I see. So what's the list for the details? So will you share some more details about the products for this project?
Yes. So here comes our solutions. So based on this list, so we can calculate our device number. So first one, yeah, for sure there are 84 indoor monitors, and then yes, the outdoor station are same as the descriptions. And we move to the third part. So main power supply, yes, as we mentioned, so it only has 1 pieces in the system. So the one and the only in the system, so it is a must. And for the extended power supply, you can calculate the numbers by dividing the total numbers, yes, of the indoor monitors. So if we are talking about a project in such scale, so we are recommending to use the main power supply to power only the
outdoor
stations, yes, and then the extended power supply, they all goes to support the indoor.
So this is a best way to have a good performance for the signal and also for the monitor performance.
Yes, and then you can do the same calculation with the outdoor distributor and also the indoor distributor. So yes, so the total, I mean the final wiring, it looks this way, but it's actually a quite big big image. So yes,
I believe that our clients, they don't care about just 1 pieces of the main power supply.
yes, so
it's worthwhile to have just one more power supply to ensure the stability for the system.
yes, so as long as you figure out how to do this math, so you can do you can work your solutions by yourself.
So the relay.
Yes, so we are going to talk about the relay. So yes, we can use it for unlock the external doors, and also it's possible to control some circuit loads, maybe to control your lights. So here is an example. So you see this one single house, it has 2 locks, maybe it has 2 gates. So the first one, you can connect it to the outdoor as usual, and then for the second one, you can connect with the
relay.
Yes, the relay module. And then from the indoor monitor, you have 2 buttons, so you can choose whether door you want it to open.
Yes, this one is very useful.
Yes. And for the camera interface, it connects the external analog cameras. So this is how it works. And it works in 2 camera modes. So both the standalone camera mode and also the outdoor station extended camera mode. So the difference is that it differs in when you wanted to monitor the outdoor station or to monitor the camera. So the orders will be different. So if you
will shift one by one, right?
Yes, if you switch from one camera to another camera. So that's the main difference. So this is the example. So Jack, maybe you can give us some introduction.
Yes, so for the outdoor station, which connected with the outdoor station distributor, and also we have another camera interface connected with this CCTV camera. All of them connected to the system, and then we can have a camera shifts one by one, so we can shift from the outdoor station to the CCTV camera, and then in this way, so we don't need to control the cameras, just one outdoor station. We can see from the another one. So this is the camera interface for the house.
Yeah, so this is one example for having two angles of the view to monitor your visitors.
Yes, someone visit me and I can see his face, but I prefer to see his background. I need to see his hair shape.
Yeah, so
maybe I can turn to the camera in CCTV.
Yeah, so maybe this guy, he wears a hat, so you can't see him or her very clearly. So yeah, so then you can use this camera to have another look. So this is also another example. So maybe you have your CCTV installed in your backyard or your garden, so you can monitor from the indoor stations.
Maybe we can set our CCTV installed in our garage. So in this way, so we can see if someone in our garage to see if we need to call the alarm, call the police.
So we can prevent some unexpected situations. Okay, so that's for the introduction of our products. So now I can give you some little demo about the softwares which I just mentioned.
Yes, the real products. We must demonstrate the real products to our audience in this way to see some more details to you. So just a second, we will come to move some more products to you. One moment.
Yes, but we can also have a quick look about how our GIS software is working.
Okay.
So yes, here at my desktop we have a GIS designer. This is actually the tool we are going to use to modify some of the GUI designs. So yeah, here is an example. So this is a project file that is made for the TOS02 module. So there are cái module liền ngắn á. Okay, so let's get started. So yes, we just need to locate this button, and here we open its image parameters, and we change another, we import another picture. I make a red one. So here is very easy to replace the buttons, and also maybe the background if you like. Yeah, so also it's the same procedure.
So this is the background, right?
Yes, I just imported the background. Okay, here we go. So it just replaced with a new one. All right, so I think our customers, they wanted to have a look at our actual products.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to get some demo. Come to the camera to introduce some more details about the products. The software. Do you have any questions about the software? If you have some questions, you can leave the message to Carrie, and then Carrie will give you a reply if he see the text.
Yes, so we can gather your questions, and we will try to give you an instant reply in some later moment. So right now, let's take a look at our actual products.
Yeah.
Okay, give us some minutes.
Just a moment.
Okay guys, so thanks for waiting. We are back, and now let's look at our actual products. So yeah, actually we can first take a look at our showcase. So this is our 2-wire solutions. So here we have this is our 7-inch indoor monitor. This is actually a cost-saving module. So it equips with a touch buttons, and at the rear, this is our regular module, the TIS01 module. So also with white appearance, equipped with the touch button and also a touch screen. So now let's give it some little demonstration. So above here we have a 7-inch touch outdoor panel. It is the TOS02 module. So if we look closer into the graphics, so you can see now in default it is using a nameless mode. So you can see here I already inputted some of the names, and from the below you see those are the parts I didn't modify, so it still stays with the numbers. So let's call the first one, shall we? Alright, so now let's look back to the monitors. So as we see, here is a live image. So we can take the snapshot, or we can do the record. We can record some videos if you have your TF card installed it. We can also do some screen settings. So also some screen settings to set the brightness and contrast. It's also available. So we now just unlock for them. So this 7-inch outdoor panel, so besides of the nameless mode, it also supports we just mentioned the keypad mode. So now let's have a look at the keypad mode. So here you can see we can change the call mode very easily. And here we have the keypad mode. So you can dial directly by inputting the numbers. And also you can check the name list from this button. Alright, so for the outdoor panel, we also have another design. This is the TOS11 module, so the functions are mostly the same to the TOS02, but with another appearance. So it's up to you to choose whether module you like. Or if you wanted to have some mechanicals design, we have this TOS07 module with the mechanical keypad and also the 2.8-inch display. So let's continue with the villa scenarios. So here we also have the TOS01 module, the very regular and very classical design for the villa stations. So it is also making a very clear and well performance call to the monitors. And also equipped with a card reader area. And for the villa, we also have some other options. So you can see here is a 4 buttons version of the villa panel. So also with aluminum design, very elegant, it's flush mounted. And besides, if you want another color, we also have the black one. It also has the 1 button or maybe 4 buttons options. So it is black, and also it is made of aluminum panels. So it is another finish. And we see at this side, these are all the distributor we just mentioned. So let's grab one of these. So this is the outdoor distributors. So you see the above is the input. It has two bus import, and at the bottom there are 4 interface to connect the outdoor stations. All right. So same for the other parts. So let's take a look at this one. This is the camera interface. So you see above is also the 2 wipers, and you see here is the analog camera's input. All right. So now let's take a look at the final one. Is our 2-wire kit. So this is a very compact and useful solution for the villa users. All right. Now let's have a little open box demonstration. So inside it stays 3 parts as we mentioned. The surface mount outdoor station, and the 7-inch monitor, and also the little very compact villa power supply. So the combinations can be different. So this is actually a light version of the kit. So this monitor is it's a basic model, so it doesn't have a touch screen. It only supports the touch button. So if you wanted to have some upgrade or some other solutions, you can replace it with the touch screen module, or also you can have another color. There is another a black color of the touch screen module. So it's all available for you guys. Okay, so these are the products we have shown you, so we can have a grand view of it. And yeah, if we take a look at the kit again, so at the back it also illustrates all the features and a simple wiring diagram. So it's very easy for some new starters to understand how our system is going to work. All right. So now I think most of our customers, after having some of our lectures, they wanted to know, so what is our best promotions tonight, right, Jet?
Yes, so the promotions, I see my colleague already sent the informations to the WeChat group. So maybe someone can see the post. And tonight we would like to share a surprise price for the villa kits, wherever the compact model or the pro version. And also would like to offer you a pro system for apartment. So my colleague, so how about post the PowerPoint to our audience?
So let's look at our slides and see what's our final surprise for today, right?
Yes. You will see a very attractive price for the system.
Okay, so now we are going to review our ultimate supplies and promotion for all our customers. Okay.
Okay, so firstly we will see the Kit Pro. The Kit Pro now our selling price normally in the market is around $169. And our compact kit, the selling price is around $10 less comparing the touch mode version. And also we also would like to present you the main power supply and outdoor station with the 4.3 inch and 7 inch. So this is very useful kit for the installer to demonstrate the system products to the end user. So the price will be around 399. So tonight we will offer you a special price. The price will be here. So the Kit Pro will offer you $109, which is $60 less comparing the previous price. The compact kit is $99, same as the Pro kit, $60 less. And the kit for the apartment, this is the $279. So it saves a lot comparing the normal time. So how do you see our price? I hope that it will be attractive to you. If you want to know some more details, please leave us a message or contact our sales engineer. We will give you an in-time feedback and also a fast delivery. So come on, send us a message and leave us your request. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
So that's all. Have a good day. Bye.
可以吗？